Okay, so in this video we're going to be taking a look at the famous WordPress loop. So if you just head over to Google and then do a search for WordPress loop, and we should be taken straight to the codex. So click on the first link, which takes us to the WordPress website. Okay, so the loop is PHP code used by WordPress to display posts. Using the loop, WordPress processes each post to be displayed on the current page and formats it according to how it matches specified criteria within the loop tags. Any HTML or PHP code in the loop will be processed on each post. So basically what that means is, rather than what we done in our Bootstrap blog template, where we create 3 separate blog posts, to save repeating this code over and over again, we just create one sample blog post within the loop, and WordPress will keep looping through and pulling in all the contents of the blog posts until there's no more posts to display. So scrolling down, okay, so to start using the WordPress loop, we need to copy the opening loop tags. So if we copy where it says the loop starts here, copy the first line of PHP, and then between the get header and get footer, paste this in, and then copy the loop ending, which is just below, and then paste this in, leaving a little bit of space in between for the content. So if you know a little bit of PHP, this should look quite familiar. If not, basically all that's happening is WordPress is checking if posts are available, and while posts are available, it's going to loop through the content that we put in here very soon. And then if there's no more posts, it then ends the loop. And then else, if there's no posts, echo out to the browser the words "sorry, no posts match your criteria." So now the loop is in place, we need to pull in the content of the current post, and we do that by opening up the PHP tags. And then in between these tags, we pull in the content, and then the brackets and semicolon. So this will print out the content of the posts while posts are available. We don't currently have any posts in the WordPress website, but we'll create those in the next video. So let's save that. And while we're going to be using this as the backup or the default template for posts, we also need to create a default template for pages if no more specific template exists. So let's create the page.php that we looked at the start of this video. So if we just select all the content and copy, and then make a new page and paste that in, and this page is going to be saved as the page.php. So save that. There we go. And because this is the default template for pages rather than posts, we need to change the error message to "sorry, no pages matched your criteria," and save that. So if you join me in the next video, we'll start creating some WordPress blog posts.